Friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Let me show you how to make this delicious fish recipe. Let's get into this video. Alright friends, so we're gonna use fresh tilapia, and actually this is the first time that I'm trying this one. Yes, so it's already cleaned, so I'm gonna show you like how to season your fish in a very simple and easy way. So first of all, I'm gonna add here my salt. After you add your salt, just go ahead and add your garlic. You can add fresh one if what you have. So I'm using what I have here in my pantry. Next, I'm gonna add here my garlic and herb spice. Next, I'm gonna add here my onion powder, followed by my paprika. So yeah, this is like the spices that I have in my pantry. Very simple, but yet this fish is gonna turn out so delicious. So go ahead and season it really well. So I'm going to put on some gloves which I already have on, and I'm going to make sure that this fish is seasoned really well, guys. It is very important. So after you're done that, just leave it aside for about 10 minutes. I'm going to use here coconut oil. You can use avocado oil, and I'm going to add here my rosemary, thyme in here, and then season my oil. So let's go ahead and add your fish, and I'm going to start frying this fish. So I tell you, it's going to be very easy one. So some of you prefer to add flour when it comes to frying fish, but some of us don't really like flour, you know what I mean? So yeah, it depends on how you like to fry your fish. Just do it however way that you like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna spice this fish more. So I added habanero pepper, garlic, and ginger. And also guys, I'm using a low medium heat to fry this fish. Yeah, it's a very big fish, so you have to make sure that you fry it really well. So at this point, other side is cooked, so I'm gonna flip it around and make sure that it's doing well. So this is like the season. Look at that, guys. It's not burned, it's just that the spices in it, oh, it looks so good. So yeah guys, this is my first time trying this red tilapia. If you have tried this before, leave it under the comment section. I would like to know how yours turned out, okay? So yeah, fish is almost done. It took me about 15 minutes to get everything ready, and I was done. So just like that, the aroma, everything. I want you guys to try, guys. So today we're going to enjoy this with some homemade wachi. Yeah, but you can actually eat it with rice, your potatoes, your fried chips, or whatever you want to eat with it. Know what I mean? Alright guys, so look at this fish. It's done. So just go ahead and then get all your side dish ready, and then serve it with your friends and loved ones. And also leave me another comment section if you would like to know how I clean my fish. I'll be more than happy to show you guys how to do that. So this is the final part, and this is the tasting part. Let's go ahead and taste this fish. So I like the fact that it is so crunchy and yet soft inside. This is how you call perfection. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment.